Good morning, students. Today we talk about the multiplication. Okay, exercise one. Okay, exercise one. The sum two. I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to solve. Let me see how to solve this sum. So first of all, this is a number. It's a dividend. It's a divisor. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 3 into 0. So 3 into 0, 0. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 1, 3. So we got 3930. Okay, when you do the multiplication sum, you have to write this like this: ones, tens, 100,000. So you have to write straight of the ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. Okay, now 3930 is the product of these two number. Okay. Okay, let me see some other exercise sum. Sum 4 we will discuss. Okay, so this is a 5 table we want to know. So now I am going to multiply 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 I will write here. Remainder I will keep 2. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 5 5s are 5 zeros are 5 into 0, 0. We know very well. So 5 ones are 5. So 5075 is the product of these two numbers. Okay, let me discuss this one. Okay, now we want to know 6 table. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Okay, 48, 8 I will write here, remainder 4. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So 22, 2 right, remainder 2. So 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so 6 ones are 6. So 6828 is the product of these two number. Okay, now we want to write, we will do this fourth, we want to do the fourth table. So 4 ones are 4, 8 fours are 32. So 2 we will write, remainder keep 3, 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 3, 39, 9 we will write, so 3 remainder, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So 7924 is the product of the two number. Okay students, let me see the exercise 5. Before we talk about the exercise 1, okay, then exercise 2, 3, 4 in homework, you do in homework. If you have any doubt, please ask me, I will tell you. Now let me see the exercise 5 sums. Okay, I have taken this number 9, 10, 11, 12. These 4 sums I will do. Remaining sums you do in homework. Okay, so first I will take this number 1935 into 6. So we know 6 is the multiplier, 1935 is the multiplicand. Okay, we already talked about when I gave the introduction about multiplication. I told some properties of multiplication. That time I told you, no? So it's a multiplier, it's a multiplicand. Okay. So now let me see let me find out the product of these two number. Okay. So 6 5s are 30. 30 we will write 0. So we will keep in 3 is the remainder. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So 21 we will write 1, remainder 2. Okay. So 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 2, 56. So 6 I will write here, 5 as a remainder. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 I will write as it is. So this is the answer. This is the product. We know it's a multiplicand, it's a multiplier, it's a product of the two number. Okay. Let me see the second, this one. So it's a multiplier, multiplicand. Now we want to find out the product of this two number. Okay. So 5 3s are 15. So remainder 1. So 3 0 0. So 1 we will write as it is. So 3 7s are 21. Okay, 3 7s are 21. So we will write 1, remainder 2. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So this is the product of the given number. 20,115 is the product of the given number. Okay. Now let us solve this number. This sum. So 5 5s are 25. So 25 we will write as it is, because there is no here 0 na. So 0 into 5 0. So 2 5s are 10. So 10,025 is the product of this number. Okay. Now solve this number. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 1. So we will write as it is, remainder as because here 0. So if you multiply 0 means you have to add this one. So 0 plus 1 1. Okay. So 6 9s are 54. 54 we will write 4. Remainder 5. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5 53. Okay. So 53 we will write as it is. So 53,418 is the product of the given number. Okay. Okay students, see this sum, how to solve. Okay. How to solve this sum. First we will read this sum. The weight of a box is 8,485 grams. Okay. A box means single box weight is 8,485 grams. Okay. Now what question is, what is the total weight of the same box, 45 box, the same size box. What is the gram? 8,485 grams, same gram box but 45 box. What is the total weight of the 45 box? We want to find out. So what we will do? We want to do multiplication. Okay, we know very well multiplication. Now let me see. First I will write this big number this side. Okay, 8485 multiplied by 45. So it's a ones place, tens place, 100, 1000. Okay. So first I will take this number, rightmost number, first number, and I am going to multiply all this number. We know very well how to do multiplication. Okay. So first I will take this 5. 5 5s are 25. So we cannot write 25 as it is. We will write 5. Then 2 we can keep it remainder. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. 5 remainder 2. Okay. Now again we want to take the same 5 but we multiply by 8. Okay. 5 8s are 45. Sorry, 40. 40. Okay. 40 plus 2, 42. 42 we cannot write whole number. We will write 2 first. Then we keep 4 is the remainder. Okay. Okay. Now we will take the same 5 but we will multiply by 4. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So 24 we cannot write as it is. We want to write 4 first. We keep 2 is the remainder. So 24 we write 4 first. We keep 2 is the as a remainder. Okay. Again we will take this 4, the 5, right? Multiply it by 8. 8 5s are 45. Sorry, 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. So we will put now 42 as it is. Okay. 40 plus 2, 42. Okay. So one row is finished. Now we want to do the second row because 4 is remain na. So now we will multiply by 4 into 5. 5 4s are 20. So 20 we don't want to write instead of this ones place. We have to forward one place forward. Okay. Ones place forward for 10 place. So we have to put here. So 4 5s are 20. We will put 0 here, 2 here, carry forward. Sorry, remainder. Okay. So again we will take 4 and we will multiply by 8. So 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So 34, we cannot write 34 as it is. We will write 4 first. So we will keep 3 is the as the remainder. Okay. Now again we will take the same 4. We multiply 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. So 19 we cannot write as it is. So we will write first 9. We will keep remainder as 1. Okay. Now we will take the same 4. We multiply by 8. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So hereafter there is no number. So we will write whole number 32. Okay. So 2 in state of the 4, 3 is outside. Now we want to add. So first we will multiply, then after we have to do addition. So here there is no number, only 5 is there. So we will put 5 as it is. So 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 4, 8. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 we will put 1, remainder 1. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Here 3 as it is, we will write it. So now see, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs. So 3 lakhs 71,825 is the total grams of the 45 box. See, it's a 1 box grams. Now we know 45 box grams. So the same box, 1 box grams is 8,485. Now we find out 45 box of the total grams. So 3,71,825 is the total grams of the 45 box, such box. Okay. Okay, students. I have solved the exercise of 6, 1, 2, 3 sums. So the remaining 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sums are there. You do homework. Okay, you do the homework and show me in WhatsApp.